Do you know it's possible to actually start a YouTube channel and then get it monetized within 3 months? Yes, you heard me right. It's 100% possible for you to start a YouTube channel and get it monetized within 3 months, which is 90 days. But then, if you use the regular approach of getting started with your YouTube channel, you might not be able to do that. That's why in this particular video, I want to share with you 4 secrets that you can actually apply to get your YouTube channel monetized within 90 days. And for you to be able to meet up with it, you must follow these rules. So with that already said, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. With that already said, let's get straight to today's video. Let me share with you, first of all, exactly what you need to get monetized on YouTube. Afterward, I'll share with you the things you need to do to make sure that you meet up with that YouTube monetization requirement very fast. Now, for those of you who don't know exactly what is required for you to get monetized on YouTube, I'll be showing it on this side of the screen right now, the requirement to actually get your YouTube channel monetized. And the first one is actually getting 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So now 1,000 subscribers will actually get you into the YouTube monetization program. And now some people will say you can actually get monetized with 500 subscribers. Well, in this particular video, I'm not talking about monetizing YouTube Short, but I'm talking about joining the YouTube partner program. And for you to qualify for that, you need at least 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And trust me, the approach I'm going to share with you in this video will help you get up to that within a short period of time. Now, the second requirement that you actually need, which is the hardest to get, is simply the 4,000 watch hour within 12 months period. Yes, on YouTube here, for you to get monetized, you need at least 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. But the approach I'm going to share with you will actually help you meet up with that requirement in just 3 months as well, provided that you apply everything I'm going to share with you. So now those are the simple requirements you actually need to get monetized on YouTube. Nothing complicated, nothing else. All you need is get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, and you are good to join the monetization program. Now that you've known this thing, now let's get straight into the main video. Let me share with you the approach you can actually use to meet up with this requirement in a short period of time. Now, the first thing you actually need to do, which is the most important one, is simply looking for a highly demanded niche. So what do I mean by a highly demanded niche? When it comes over to content creation, there are some niche whereby within 1 to 2 months period of time, you get over 3,000 subscribers self. And these niches are the trending niches that actually get you there really faster. So when it comes over to getting started with YouTube, I advise you, the first thing is that look for a highly demanded niche. Now, when it comes over to content creation, the honest truth is that people who watch your videos don't care about you. They only care about the content you are creating. And you too, you don't have to care about anyone, but focus more on giving them high value content that will also make you your money in return. So when it comes over to getting started on YouTube and getting monetized really faster, I would advise you to look for a niche that is really trending. Like, look for a topic that you know that people are always in demand of, not something that only you are interested in. Like, if I wanted to talk about something I personally am interested in, there are a lot of topics out there. Like, I do graphic design, but I don't talk about graphic design because I know that such channels will really take some time to grow. Even though when they grow, they make a lot of money, but it will take some time to grow. But then there are some niches whereby I can easily grow faster. And some of the best niches when it comes to growing fast on YouTube, Facebook, or any other platform is simply entertainment niche, where you probably do a voiceover over celebrities or just reposting celebrity videos and all those stuff. And another niche you could look into is simply storytelling. Like, there are a lot of new ways in which you can actually create all those story videos using AIs, and I've probably created some videos about them that I'll be tagging in the video description as well. Another sort of niche you can look into is simply the reaction video niche. On this particular niche, it's one of the favorite that I actually like, even though I don't have much time in doing it, though I do it on Facebook once in a while. It's simply looking for funny videos or any sort of video at all. It could be football videos, could be funny jokes or anything, and then just reacting over it with your face at one side of it in order to avoid copyright, or reacting to movies. These sort of niches get audience really faster and can help you get monetized within a short period of time. So now that is the first one on my niche. Simply look for a highly demanded niche and get into. And even if you want to get into the tutorial niche, look for a make money online niche that will help you really grow faster. For this particular niche, I'm talking because I have a niche, I have a YouTube channel on that particular niche, and the growth is really crazy. That's why I added it as the best tutorial niche to actually get monetized faster. Now, the point number 2 is simply create longer videos. Now, the benefit of creating longer videos is that they help you get up to 4,000 watch hours within a short period of time. Because when it comes to YouTube monetization, the most important thing is actually getting those 4,000 watch hours, because getting 1,000 subscribers might be the easiest thing ever. But you see that 4,000 watch hours, they are very difficult to get. That's why you need to implement the act of creating longer videos. Like whenever I create a YouTube channel with the hope that I want to get into the YouTube partnership program really fast, I mainly focus on creating videos of at least 10 minutes and above. Now, why do I do this? The reason why I do this is that if these videos get a lot of attention and they get a lot of views, it will be pretty much very easier for me to get up to 4,000 watch hours within a 90 days period of time. And this is one thing a lot of people don't know. Most people, they get started on YouTube and then they post videos of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Yes, this sort of videos actually help them get the subscribers really faster and things. But then when they start to upload longer videos, they don't get much views, and then their watch hour, everything started dropping off. And that's why I will advise you, you should start off with creating longer videos, because this sort of videos will actually let your audience know that what on your channel you mainly create longer videos and then make them engaging. Because once the videos are long and engaging enough, viewers are actually going to watch till the very end. And once they do this, your watch hour count increase within a short period of time. So now that is the point number 2 I have for you is simply create longer videos that will help you meet up with a watch hour count very fast. And this sort of video should be ranging for at least, let me say, a minimum of 8 minutes and above. 8 minutes and above. If you can do this once repeatedly, trust me, you are going to meet up with that requirement within a short period of time. So now, the point number 3 is simply upload more videos in a week. Like, one advice I'll give to you is that try as much as possible to upload 2 or more videos in a week if you really want to meet up with this requirement very faster. Because if you get to upload more videos and you really create high quality videos that are really getting engagement, the more you upload, the more people will get glued to your channel, and the more people will get to remember your channel really much easier. Like, even you, if you are watching videos on social media, you and I know that the content creator will upload more actually get stick to your head more than any other creator out there, whether the videos are really hitting you up or not. But at least because you always see their videos on your feed, you always click to watch it, and even maybe you just watch it for some few minutes and then click off. It doesn't really matter. But over here on YouTube, I would advise you that make sure you're uploading at least 2 to 3 quality videos in a week. If you are able to do this, number 1, it will help you reach more people, which will give you more subscribers, and number 2, it will actually help you get the watch hours you need very much faster. And that's the advantage of uploading at least 2 to 3 videos a week. It doesn't just give you subscribers, but it also helps boost your watch time very much faster. Like when I started this channel back then, I was uploading a lot of videos. Like when I even started my new channel that got monetized within the shortest period of time I've ever experienced, which is my Perez Trade YouTube channel. When I monetized that channel, like, it was really fast because I was uploading a minimum of 2 to 3 videos every single week. And that thing I did actually put the channel on a high run. So within a few months, I was able to get my channel monetized by hitting all the requirements. And this was really helpful. And that's why I'm also sharing it with you. Try and upload at least 2 to 3 videos every single week if you want to meet up with this requirement faster. Now that is the point number 3. And if you are still watching this video, there's no reason why you shouldn't give a thumbs up for this video and also smash on that subscribe button if you haven't done that. So now let's move over to the 4th point, which is the final point I have for you in this video. The final tip I have for you to actually get your YouTube channel monetized within a 90 days period of time is simply share your videos outside YouTube. Now, this is one thing a lot of newbies don't actually like doing. And trust me, this is one of the bad habits that you can actually build up as a YouTuber. If you are getting started as a YouTuber and you really want to reach out to more audience, my advice for you is that you have other social media platforms. You have Facebook, you have your WhatsApp, you have Snapchat, whatever social media platform that you are really active and you have a lot of audience out there. Whenever you upload a YouTube video, just post it there. Not everyone will like it, but few of them will like it, and those few will like it from that platform and actually click to come and watch it on your YouTube channel. Will tell YouTube that what you have content that people outside that platform actually need as well, and that means that what you are creating high valuable content. Because when it comes on YouTube here, YouTube also help you promote your videos. But the only way YouTube is going to get convinced and start promoting your videos is when you yourself, you start sharing those videos outside, and YouTube see that what when you share those videos, you are getting engagement from those platforms coming into their platform. YouTube will see that, okay, you are serious with the content you are creating, so they are also going to support you by sharing your videos as well. And if you've been on YouTube for quite a long time, if you go through your analytics, you realize that there are times whereby there is a certain icon on your analytics which shows that what YouTube was experimenting with your videos and all of those things. These things actually happen when YouTube see that what you are taking your channel seriously and you are really creating content actively, and they'll see that your content are bringing people into their platform, so they are also going to help you share it more. And this is one thing a lot of people don't know yet. That's why I'm sharing it with you. If you are starting off a YouTube channel and really want to reach more audience faster, don't just leave your videos on YouTube here. Share them to other platforms as well. And now the bonus tip I have for you here is simply like keep uploading, keep creating, and make sure that you are creating content, valuable content. And make sure that you don't let the first 2-3 videos you upload get over you. Like on here over YouTube, I will always tell you the truth. The first 1, 2, 3, 4 videos you upload on YouTube are likely not to blow up, even though they did for me. Like for me, the best videos on my channel till today are the first 5 videos I uploaded on my channel. Yes, those are the first 5 videos I uploaded on my channel. You can go back to the channel and see them for yourself. They are still the top performers on the channel till today. And this doesn't mean that it will happen to every single person out there. No, like on this channel here, they are the worst videos ever. I can't even record those videos anymore. But on my new channel, they are the best videos. Even after a year, they are still the best videos on those channel. That's why I'm also sharing this with you. It's simply don't let the first few videos you upload get over you. If they did well, keep it up. If they didn't do well, also keep it up and keep uploading. And once YouTube see that you are really active with your schedules and everything, trust me, they're also going to take you serious and share your videos more. And when they help you do that, you get to reach more subscribers faster and also get more views, which will lead to more watch hour. So with that already said, hello guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you need more great videos like this, there's only one thing you need to do to make sure you always get them, is by smashing on that subscribe button, turning on that bell notification, and also dropping a like so that YouTube will also share this video to more people who need similar videos as well. So with that already said, have a nice day. See you again. Bye.